Monster, Yummy in the Kitchen, Shape and Decorate. So there's another one, which is like an ice tray, but instead of rectangle squares, it's Moshi. It's moshling squares. So let's get started. On the front, you can see a girl holding like an oddie kitchen utensil, and a boy shaping a sandwich. Over here, it says, "Eat it, make it, and create it," and that's the contents. Over here it says, "Make amazing kitchen creations, www.moshimonsters.com." On the side, you can see Cutie Pie, Moshi Monster, Shape and Decorate, Yum Yum Kitchen, Make amazing kitchen creation. On the other side, it's the same thing except the background's blue. On the top, you see this, and on the back, you can see the same thing on the front. It says, "Make moshling shaped cookies, pizzas, and sandwiches." Same things on the side, and then it's just a little blue paragraph here. Includes 3 moshling cutters with stampers, decorating tool, and recipe booklet. So let's get this opened. So I can't really wait. Oh my gosh. So, the scissors. So, you need scissors. Okay. This might take a little while, so that's why I'm trying to go quick. So, here, I'll cut this out. So, over here, you see an icing thing, which I think you can put icing in, and then you can decorate it. Really cool. Top comes off. It's like spiral, so that's really cool. Let me get this open. I need to cut this, because I think it's tape. Okay, inside you have an Iggy-shaped cookie cutter, a Hansel-shaped cookie cutter, and an Oddie-shaped cookie cutter. We also have, there's so many, just to let you know, there's so much opening to do. There's so much tape and all, so much packaging. And over here, it's like 3 little things. This is Hansel, this is Iggy, and this is Oddie. So, it's like, they're really cool because if you, here, let me try to find it, the picture. No, it might be in here. Okay, so this is the recipe book. It says Yum Yum Kitchen, Shape and Decorate, and it's really cool on the front. It's like all these moshlings. Then on the back, it's moshlings up there. Inside, we have how to make sweet ringy thingies, and that's the turnout, I think, which you might be able to decorate them. It's the same thing with Hansel. And over here shows you all these things. And the last page shows you how to make these. And this is the last page, show you how to make pizza. So this is really cool. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye!